Hi, it's Paula, and it is daily challenge. It's going to be a would you rather, brain teaser, or tongue twister. These are fun ways to recover and get your brain to think differently. I say recover because I'm a stroke survivor, as maybe others are as well. With aphasia is also the inability to communicate, so this really helps. I'm going to go right into what we have today. We have a brain teaser today. Brain teaser is what has cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and water but no fish. The answer is a map. Okay, I think I could have guessed that without having the answer in front of me. But that was fun, I hope. Have a great day.